puedes tener tu apartamento de sueños en Bali con solamente...
So here we are in the middle of the common space. As you see, just the common area with pools and then all different units. We are in the smallest resorts. We have done the first one, so there's only 14 units.
Está muy bien comprar apartamentos en España, donde vive. Está muy bien comprar apartamentos en Dubái, porque es la moda. Pero Bali hay que diversificar. No se puede poner siempre los mismos huevos en la misma cesta. 10% ROI.
So depend on the project.
Okay,
here
depende del proyecto. Claro.
Yeah, here you will be between 10-20% net return.
10-20.
10 to 12.
12, okay,
12.
wow.
You can easily double your investment in 5 years.
Ellos se encargan absolutamente de todo, de las tax, del papeleo, de la gestión, y no os tenéis que preocupar absolutamente de nada. Incluso tienen gente, por ejemplo, si venís de España o de Francia o de cualquier otro país, que hablan vuestro idioma y os pueden ayudar con eso. Por lo tanto, todo, it's all is green flags. Green flags. Hola, hoy os voy a presentar un nuevo promotor que está haciendo villas y apartamentos de lujo en las mejores zonas de Bali. Tienen tanto freehold como leasehold y es de origen alemán, right?
No, Francia.
France. No, the developer, COCO.
No, Denmark.
Dinamarca. Wow.
Yeah.
Impressionant. And you are from?
France.
France. So your name is?
Mario.
Mario, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So let's see. Vamos a ver un poco.
So yeah, COCO Lifestyle Residence is the very first community resort that COCO developed, and it has been operating since November 2024. Just before that, we have built the 3 villas that you see there, like mentioned. And now we have 8 other projects under development currently in Bali. We actually just opened last week the 3rd resort based in Bingin in Uluwatu.
Okay.
But we are here.
Este es el primer resort.
Yeah.
Y luego ahora mismo están abierto un tercer resort. Okay.
Yeah.
Impresionante.
Well, all developed by COCO Development Group.
Okay, todo es el mismo developer, COCO.
Yeah. And COCO, the point of what we do is to always bring people together. That's our first mission. And community resorts with many amenities inside the resort has one goal and one goal only: bring people together.
Okay, so de hecho ellos están más orientados en un lifestyle comunitario para que la gente venga, esté juntos, ¿no?
Yeah.
People together, your lifestyle.
Lifestyle resorts.
Yeah. So let's see.
Let's go inside.
Vamos allá.
So here we are in the middle of the common space. As you see, just the common area with pools and then all different units. We are in the smallest resorts. We have done the first one, so there's only 14 units. We can't go inside any today as it's fully booked.
Okay,
which is
los apartamentos ahora mismo están todos ocupados, así que no podemos ver los apartamentos, está fully booked. Esto es bien, this is good.
This is bien.
This is muy bien.
Yeah. We can go along, have a look. It took around like 1 year and a half to build the whole resort,
Okay.
right? And we are
Para
based.
construir todo ha sido 1 año y medio.
Yeah, we are in Sese, which is one of the next developing zone next to Canggu. Canggu is like 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes away from here. And here it was still cheaper to buy lands and develop something for the long term.
Ok, sí, porque sí hay que saber que ellos solo se ubican en zonas prestigiosas, en good areas,
Yeah.
en zonas estratégicas.
Yeah,
So
the price per square meter
Yeah.
of these lands are like doubling every couple of years.
Of years.
So that's why it was a good investment upfront and then keep it and secure investments for the long term.
Ok, ellos más tienen una visión de long term porque ellos dicen que desde hace unos años el precio por square feet era mucho inferior al de ahora. Entonces cada año aumenta. And the weather here in Bali is the nice all the year, right?
So it's nice most of the year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Temperature is the same all the year. It's like 27, 32 degrees.
Yeah.
The only difference might be that there is slightly more rain from December to February.
Okay.
A little bit more. It's called the rain season. But still in that period we had like a lot of people inside.
Yeah.
In fact, in the first quarter, we had like 97 occupancy rate.
97, this is a lot.
In this one.
Ok,
for
tiene
Q1.
97% de ocupación anual. Eso es muchísimo, la verdad. Yeah.
Even so, it's like CC and it's like raining season. I was highly surprised. Last year, in average, we had 88% occupancy rate.
Okay. El año pasado tuvieron 89?
88 last year. Yeah.
88 last year.
Yeah.
Es mucho, está muy bien.
So as you see, for all the resort, we have like a big rooftop with a bar. We organize cooking events, barbecue. There's a nice lounge, some sofas. And if you go along, you will see we have a common area, a co-working space for
Sí,
people.
esto es muy importante. Co-working space.
For digital nomads, influencers.
Sí, es verdad que mucha gente viene a Bali. ¿Puedo abrir? Oh. So much people come to Bali not only for tourists, also for work.
They need space for work, they need a good Wi-Fi, they need good space. So the whole idea, as always, is to make people meet, right? And this is one amenities we always provide. In the next resort, this is much bigger. This is like the smallest we ever done.
The third one.
We opened the third one, it's already double the size of this.
Y el tercer resort que están abriendo ahora mismo es el doble de grande. Está muy bien.
And then we can go have a look. There is a sauna and a jacuzzi.
Wow. Allí tienen sauna, jacuzzi.
I mean, this is obviously off for the moment, but this is sauna, and then we have a jacuzzi, and then we can also additionally add an ice bath just right here.
Okay.
As there's a very high demand for this kind of thing.
No, está muy bien.
And we have this in each and every section.
And the clients, they live here or they rent it?
The clients, they just come here for a few days. We are focusing on short-term rental. People stay 5 to 7 days because they want to see this region, and then they go to another 5-7 days in Uluwatu, and maybe in Lovina in the north, where we are developing the project number 9 called Aura. So our idea is to bring people from one place to the next through the network of COCO.
Okay, so it's 1,000 investment. So the clients come buy here for invest, not for live. It's for rented holiday rental.
Yeah, investors, they own the property. So as you say, sometimes it's leasehold, sometimes leasehold or freehold.
Yeah.
They own the property, then we rent it for them. We have a turnkey solution with our property management company.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Yeah, and then
amazing.
it's a headache-less solution for people that they never come here or rarely come here.
Yeah.
They know a little bit Bali, or some of them doesn't know Bali.
Maybe if he want to come, he can come.
They can come as long as they want.
Compráis aquí, invertís aquí, no os tenéis que preocupar absolutamente de nada. Simplemente si queréis venir de vacaciones, pues venís, porque puede limit of time.
There's no limit of time.
No límite, entonces puedes venir, es tu casa realmente, pero lo más interesante obviamente es ponerlo en alquiler vacacional y tener beneficio. How much? 10% ROI?
So depend on the project.
Okay, depende del proyecto. Claro.
Yeah, here you will be between 10-20% net return.
10-20?
10 to 12.
12, okay,
12?
Wow, está muy bien.
And that's just the beginning, because obviously we just started a year and a half in here, and over time, as price increases, you can expect like a better return in the next 3 to 5 years.
Yeah.
And in Uluwatu, which is a very fast developing zone, we're also aiming 12% net in the first years and reaching to 15% in a couple of years. And that's just the return on investment from the rental. You can also resell 3 to 5 years with a good tracking record, and with the profit you make on the resale, you can easily double your investment in 3 to 5 years.
Yeah, this is very nice, this is amazing. Le pregunto si, por ejemplo, compráis un apartamento aquí y si tenéis que tener 100% del bien pagado, o si el cliente no quiere más el apartamento, solamente ha pagado 80% o 70%, ¿cuándo lo puede vender para cambiar por otro más grande? O en un nuevo proyecto, we never know.
So the idea is that we are engaged as well as COCO Development Group for the success of the development. So what does that mean is that 20% of the price will be paid with the rental is the income
Okay.
coming. So that means COCO has to perform and make sure this is being paid. So we're going to maximize the rental, the occupancy rate, and only then the 80% upfront has to be invested from the investors along the constructions. So we're gonna, cut in a few payments along 18 months, maybe 20 months of construction. So it's make it like both parties are very engaged.
Yeah, and the handover 20%. So lo que está muy bien es que solamente tienes que pagar 80%. So, for example, if the apartment is 1,000,
yeah, exactly.
a little apartment 1,000, so you pay 8,000, and then 800, and then the 20% is el inquilino, el turista que va a seguir pagando el plan de pago, and it's 1 year for pay 80.
The 80%,
yeah.
It would depend on the project construction period. On average, you can count between 18 months, 20 months.
Okay. Está muy bien. Depende del proyecto, el plan de pago puede ser de 1 year or 20 or 20 meses.
Regarding the tax in Bali, it's quite easy. We set up a local company called PTPMA that allows you to put your leasehold inside, right? You need just 2 people to set up that company. Most of the paperwork can be done remotely. That's quite easy. And the advantage tax-wise is that the first 3 years you get 0.5 tax on your income.
Yeah.
And then after that, like from the year number 4, it's 11% on the benefits, so it's still quite good, and it's optimum. But that's just for people that perhaps have a worse system from where they live, like if they live in France or in Spain or whatever. It can make a lot of sense to do it here, right?
Yeah.
And then they can do whatever they like with the money. They can grow their money here, reinvest here. Actually, it's going to be better if they reinvest over the next years. The tax will be lower, or they can just transfer back the money where they want.
Lo bueno del promotor COCO es que ellos se encargan absolutamente de todo, de las tax, del papeleo, de la gestión, y no os tenéis que preocupar absolutamente de nada. Incluso tienen gente, por ejemplo, si venís de España o de Francia, de cualquier otro país, que hablan vuestro idioma y os pueden ayudar con eso. Por lo tanto, todo it's all is green flags. Green flags.
Green.
Vale, porque es muy bien, es muy bonito ver los apartamentos, ver la piscina, las vistas, los amenities, pero vamos a ver la oficina, vamos a ver las maquetas. Let's go see the office.
Let's go to the office.
Yes, we can go?
Yeah, absolutely.
Bien, podemos ir, pues vamos allá. Hemos llegado, realmente donde estábamos antes hasta aquí, hasta las oficinas, han sido solamente 10 minutos con la scooter, porque aquí la mayoría de la gente se mueve en scooter. Sí es verdad que yo he cogido el coche, pero me toca acostumbrar a coger la moto. Nada, aquí estamos en las oficinas de la gestión locativa de COCO. Estas maquetas que tenemos aquí ya están sold out.
So here you have like 3 of our 9 development. So this one is the number 3. We all just opened it in May. It's based in Bingin in Uluwatu. This is around like 60 units. It was sold out like 2 years ago, and now we just finished the construction. It took around 20 months to construct.
Okay, so este proyecto en específico terminará solamente en 20 meses, pero ya está sold out.
See, they are all sold out because this one is the number 5 and this one the number 6 in time. We sold them like almost 1 year. At that time it was taking us a year to sell everything. Nowadays we can sell in 3-4 months hundreds units, because in the new one we add paddle, gym, calisthenics, spas. Right? So the first one was taking longer, but now it's getting shorter. We sell very quickly.
Okay.
This one is Amazona. It's a different wellness concept based in Kabakaba, in the middle of the jungle, next to the river of Kabakaba, with the view on the rice field. So it's really focused on meditation, yoga, relaxation. And this one is in also Bingin. It's called COCO Hills. This is around 90 units. The construction is going to be finished in Q1 2027.
27, el año que viene también.
First beginning of the year, yeah. This one is planned for Q3, Q4 2026.
Okay.
And here we are in the office of COCO Development Group. Just next to that, we have the office of our property management, which is called Balines Villa.
Sí, entonces allí tienen todo el staff trabajando para la gestión locativa. No sé si podemos entrar.
Yeah.
¿Ya? Vamos a entrar, vamos a echar un vistazo. La gente que trabaja es local, son balineses. Entonces, aquí todos están trabajando, se encargan de toda la gestión locativa de todos los apartamentos que tienen. Tienen más de 300 villas, right?
Yeah, we have more than 350 units under the management, villas.
Yeah.
Plus now they're going to manage every single result of COCO.
Okay.
So that's going to be the biggest property management company in Bali.
Realmente es una de las más grandes compañías en Bali de gestión locativa y de venta también de apartamentos y villas. Tienen más de 350. Es mucho porque la isla tampoco es muy grande.
And this is now the management offices. But on site in each resort, so for the villa we have a lot of maintenance, cleaners, spa employees. We have a lot of people that are on site, which we don't see here,
Yeah.
but it's like a lot of employees.
Sí, que no solamente es la gente que está aquí, que está trabajando, que veis que trabaja, sino que también luego en los apartamentos también tienen todo el staff de mantenimiento, de limpieza, jardineros. Entonces, realmente es muy grande, tienen un muy buen equipo de trabajo, la empresa. Vamos a echar un vistazo más por allí.
It's pretty much.
And new projects, nuevos proyectos que vienen, ¿a partir de cuánto? Vamos a hablar de números, precios. Si, por ejemplo, un inversor quiere comprar un apartamento, ¿a partir de cuánto? The first price for get an apartment.
Yeah, as I say, I always say 72,000 euro. Why? Because our smallest unit is in fact 90,000, but you invest only 80% of that.
Okay.
So that's 72,000. The last 20% will be taken with the rental income. So that's an
Es decir,
engagement of COCO.
Uy, eso está muy bien porque solamente con 72.000 euros ya puedes tener un apartamento, ya que el 20% restante no lo pagas tú, lo va a pagar el inquilino que viene aquí de vacaciones. And for the start, the down payment is just 20%.
25.
25%
the first month, but then we can wait, we can split in 4, 5, different payments. And then the last payment at when we deliver the key, when the opening, on the
So
termination.
honestly, in the bank account, the client needs to have 20.000 euros.
Yeah, it's around like 20, I calculated 25% of 90K would be around 22,500, I think.
Entonces puedes ser propietario, puedes tener tu apartamento de sueños en Bali con solamente 20.000 euros de down payment, luego vas pagando durante la obra entre un año, 20 meses y luego el 20% lo pagan los turistas. ¿Qué más queréis? It's a very good investment, very smart investment. Es una manera de diversificar tu patrimonio, porque está muy bien comprar apartamentos en España, donde vives, está muy bien comprar apartamentos en Dubái, porque es la moda, pero Bali hay que diversificar, no se puede poner siempre los mismos huevos en la misma cesta, hay que diversificar su patrimonio.
Yeah.
Y nada, si tenéis más cuestiones, queréis saber más análisis, tenéis dudas, no dudéis en contactarme, a mí, a cualquier de nuestros agentes del equipo, y estaremos encantados de responder todas vuestras dudas. Mario, muchísimas gracias por tu tiempo. La próxima vez que nos veamos será con un inversor, obviamente. Y nada.
Yeah, ciao, alla prossima.